Hey guys, Rivaldude 1217 here. Today we're going to talk real quick about my bike light setup. You'll see that my bike is a Havoc Hyper. For the install, you're going to need 2 zip ties and a screwdriver. This one's straightforward clip. Unclips down there. It's got a USB thing in the back to charge. Plug's a little tricky to get in, but it does go back in if you tinker with it enough. There we go. It's got the solar panel. Turn it on first. It flashes. Turn it on after. It's solid. And keep the reflectors on the bike that come with it. When we come around to the back of the bike, post-mounted, seat post-mounted rear light. You'll see if I pull the trigger on the brake, it lights up with the brake light, all 3 lights. That is in a fashion down here where this pressure switch is pushed over. Hold on, it's kind of hard to do on camera. When you pull it, this rubber boot on your brake line cable pushes this pressure switch in, activating the light. So it's fairly straightforward. The batteries are in the back in the clip. I use USB rechargeable batteries. I'm going to put the link from Tiny Deal. No, my bad. This is actually a T-Mart order. I'm going to put the T-Mart link on here. Here you'll see it's a dim, well, it's pretty bright, but it's dim because it's red headlight. That's good for contrast and such. Plus, when you keep that in the on position, you have a single red LED in the back as your tail light. And again, if we apply the brakes, brake light lights up more. And then with or without the unit on, we have directionals that make a siren. The siren sound is changeable, 8 sounds as it says on the back. That's just this orange switch that goes side to side. This is the dial that turns. Again, we'll show you with that off. Directional still works during the day. If need be, this little black dot at the bottom is a horn. So that's my setup. This is obviously my main light source. This is not really a bright light source for me, but cars can see it. When it's on, I have the tail light so they can also see me, other than just the reflector, and also the directionals. Now, if you're not so short as me, and you don't need your seat all the way down, I recommend you keep your stock reflector on too. But to make room for the clip, and for me to be able to get on and off my bike comfortably, I need to take off the stock reflector. I recommend you actually keep yours on if you can. And, like I said, I didn't take off any other reflectors. The tire ones are still there. Stock, cheap plastic pedals come with it from Walmart. The front one. So you want to be as visible as you can at night. Plus, this is good for some trail riding, out camping or something. Really visible. You can see where you're going. Other people can see you when you're camping. And I normally have my walkie-talkie on me when I'm out on a bike ride. And I leave one back at home base, whether that's my actual house or whether it's just at home base at camp. I don't have my walkie-talkie on me at the moment because I just came in from riding. So we'll put it in the shed and give you a rough idea, or as well as my camera can capture, on what it actually looks like for illumination. And the door's going to close on me. One second while I just get this in. Alright, so thanks to the assistance of the truck bed, I was able to put you guys down for a second so I can come in. We're going to shut ourselves in the shed as well as we can. And you'll see right now we're in pitch darkness. I can't really see much of anything at all. So we're going to feel for our light. Okay. The entire shed is illuminated. Now I'm just using my phone, so it doesn't really do much justice. But now I can see. And people can see me. You'll now see that is really actually a pretty vibrant red light. I can still see a good bit around me in the shed, but not very far. You'll see you can see my tail light, which is good. I'm going to apply the brakes. You'll see instantly the difference that's made. Now that we're where it can echo, I'll apply the horn. Okay, that is ear splitting, echoing in an enclosed building. Next, we'll apply directionals. Left. And apply directional right. And again, we can shut this off. Whoop, my bad, wrong switch. It's hard to tell when you're in the dark. You gotta get used to it a little bit. That's off. And brake light. Alright, so that is the setup I use on my bicycle when I go riding at night. So, I'd like to thank you for watching, and also, just remember, you don't need this at night, the directional is good in the day. So on that side note, I want to thank you again for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and please, do enjoy yourself. Get out, have a good day, and enjoy this beautiful spring weather that is finally here.